Begin reading your task. Begin.
Hi, Mr. Newton. Hello.
Please, give me something for this pain. It hurts.
Okay,
it really
okay.
hurts.
Yeah, no worries. Tell me where the pain is.
I've never had pain like this before.
It's in my right leg.
Okay, okay. Where exactly in the lower leg?
Yeah, in the lower leg.
Okay.
I feel really bad.
Oh, no worries. I'll get you better. Okay. When did the pain start?
Yeah, it started like 2 hours ago.
Okay, okay. And before that you were fine?
Yes, I was fine.
Okay. All right. Let me quickly examine you. Then I'll go to the leg and see if there's any problem. Okay.
Okay.
Can I ask you to open your mouth?
Yes.
Okay.
Airways are patent.
Okay. Let me check your oxygen saturation. Do you have any chest pain at all?
No.
Okay. I need to examine your chest. I know that you have the pain in the leg. I'll go to that shortly. Okay.
Okay.
I need to expose your chest.
Okay.
Feeling tricky.
Trachea central.
Okay. Any pain?
No, just expansion is normal.
Okay.
Expansion normal.
All right. Deep breath in and out.
Okay. Just is racing both sides.
Okay.
Resonant.
Okay.
Resonant. 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 Resonant.
Okay.
Resonant.
Okay. Deep breath in and
Normal
out.
ventricular breathing.
And again.
Normal ventricular breathing.
And again.
Normal ventricular breathing.
And again.
Normal ventricular breathing.
Okay. Thank you. Now I'm gonna cover your chest. Checking capillary fill time. 1, 2, 3.
Capillary refill time is 1 second.
Okay, I'm happy with that. Let's feel the pulses.
You can feel the pulses on both sides.
Okay.
You can't feel the pulse in the right leg.
Okay, there is no pulse. Can you feel me touch here?
No.
Okay. Are you able to wiggle your toes?
Yeah, I can do that, but it's very painful, doctor.
Okay, let me feel the temperature.
Right leg is slightly cold.
Okay, your right leg is slightly cold. Okay, if I move it up and down, is it causing pain?
Yeah, intense
Okay,
pain, doctor.
okay. Do you need any painkiller?
Yeah, please.
Okay, I will give you some paracetamol. Are you allergic to any medications?
Yeah, I'm allergic to paracetamol, doctor.
Okay, I'll give you morphine then. Let me feel the other pulses. Is any pulse?
There is no pulse.
Okay, is any pulse?
There is no pulse.
Okay. Feeling your groin, it may be a bit ticklish.
There is pulse.
Okay, so we got the pulses here. There is no dorsalis pedis in the right. Okay, I'll give you morphine.
Yes, please.
Okay, and we need to put the IV cannulas. Okay,
Okay.
2 wide bore IV cannulas, and let's check your blood pressure as well. Okay, I cannot see the respiratory rate. Can I see? Okay, Mr. Newton, your breathing is a bit fast and your heart rate is quite high. Okay, I can see your ECG is also abnormal. Do you have any medical condition, Mr. Newton?
Yes, I have atrial fibrillation.
Okay, okay. Are you on any blood thinners?
Yes, I am on warfarin.
And have you been taking them?
No, I stopped taking them.
When?
For 5 days now.
All right. Okay. Why was that?
Yeah, I just had the blood in my urine.
Okay. Okay. So you stopped taking warfarin 5 days ago because you have the blood, and now you're coming with the pain. So, Mr. Newton, you know that you have this pain starting all of a sudden. There may be a clot in the leg because of taking no warfarin. Okay. Please don't worry. We need to investigate it further. Okay.
Okay.
We'll do your blood test. Check your thickness of the blood and coagulation profile. I mean, check the kidney functions and everything. At the moment, I'm going to keep you nil by mouth. Please don't eat or drink. I will give you fluids. I've already given you morphine. How are you feeling with the morphine?
No, I'm feeling much better now, doctor.
Okay,
Thank you.
okay. So we need to do further tests on you, including D-dimer. Okay, that will tell us if you have any clot, and we need to do Doppler scan of your foot as well. Okay, I will get an ECG and all the routine investigations, as well as your group and save, just in case if we need to do anything. Okay. And in addition to that, if you have any blood clot, we need to give you blood thinning medication through your vein. Okay, I'm going to give you a bolus of unfractioned heparin. This will help dissolving the clot if there is any. Okay.
Okay.
So I'm going to give you 5,000 units. It's in your vein, and I will start you on the other side. I will start you with on the infusion of unfractioned heparin. Okay.
Okay.
Is there anything that you want to ask?
No, I was just feeling a lot of pain. Thank you, doctor.
Okay. Is your pain any better now?
Yeah,
Okay.
it's much more better.
Okay. Did you have similar pain before?
No, it's my first time to have this.
Okay. All right. Anything else?
2
that
minutes
you want to
remaining.
say?
Yeah, what about my blood in the urine? Do I
Oh,
have to
okay.
take the medication
Thanks for reminding me. So, what I will do is I will look into that. We'll do your urine test and find out if there's any blood anymore, and I will also refer you to the urologist. Okay, they're the expert, and they will see if there was any particular reason or whether this has happened because of the warfarin. Okay. We'll check the thickness of the blood. I will need to refer you to the vascular surgeons if you have the clot. Okay. However, it depends on the investigations. Because your leg is slightly numb, you have reduced sensation. I need to refer you to the vascular surgeons urgently. They are the expert who will deal with this. Okay.
Okay.
All right. So let me know if you need anything, please. Okay.
Okay.
We'll continue assessing you while we are doing the investigations. It may take a few, maybe couple of hours. However, in the meantime, I'll try to communicate with the vascular surgeons and get their opinion. They might want to see you in here, or they might want you to be transferred to them. Okay.
Okay.
All right. So we will continue the fluids. I will continue the infusion of heparin and continue checking your pain. Make sure that you have better pain control. We'll do all the blood tests. I'll give them a call to chase a blood test as well. Okay, and I will request CT angiogram. That is a specialized test of your leg. Okay, so to find out where exactly you have the clot. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, please let me know if you start feeling more unwell or if your pain gets worse.
Okay.
Okay.
I should do that. Thank you,
Okay,
doctor.
thank you.
Move on to the next station.